First up today is Miss Julia Lee, one of our regulars.
Hi, my name is Julia, and I'm playing part of a Beethoven sonata.
Very nice. And she's playing just the first part of that today. All the pieces that you're hearing today are very, very tricky pieces. You're hearing the three Beethoven sonatas. They're all in the range of upper level 8 to level 10 that you're hearing today. So just so you know. And the student range is from stage 3 to stage 4 today. All right, let's get some feedback for her. I'm going to open the polls. And for the two people who tried to fill out their own poll yesterday, do not fill out your own poll. That is ridiculous. All right. Give you guys like another second or two on the poll. Don't rush. All right, Matthew has his hand up.
I think that it was a bit uneven on the scales, and I think he had good articulation.
Good. I completely agree with both of those things. I think your articulation was fantastic, actually. And I think that the scales and a lot of the parts that we talked about at your one-on-one were a little bit back and forth. It was not the internet. It was you. Your phrasing is a little bit wibbly wobbly. Naman?
Yeah, I agree that it could be more rhythmically stable, and I liked your articulation and maybe like more dynamics. It was kind of like a little top heavy. It was not really loud, but then because the constant dynamic was piano, it sounded like mezzo forte or forte. So it was like technically top heavy and maybe more body movement.
Okay, good. Other feedback? And guys, we're missing one person on the poll. See if you can finish out the poll, whoever that is. Other hands? Allison?
I think you have good articulation.
She said, I think you have good articulation. Vivian?
You have very nice articulation and dynamics, even though I couldn't really hear it, but I have a feeling you probably did pretty good. Your I said articulation was good, but like I think there's one thing you can improve is like your wrist when you play, like it's a little bit too low. Also, I think you should add a bit more body movement because you were sort of like stiff. Your phrasing was okay-ish, and I think you played pretty good overall.
Great. I think you guys pretty much nailed, hit the head on the nail. Hit the nail on the head. Somebody says, Ariana Shake, I cannot hear anything. Can you hear me? Can everyone else hear me? Yeah? So maybe you just need to adjust your volume somehow. Well, we'll figure that out in a second. It looks like your audio is working just fine. All right, guys, I'm going to reset here.